Morning children, now today we are going to read chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory from book Honeydew, class 8th English. Now children, you will come to know that this story is really humorous one. So let's read and discuss the summary part of the story. Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory is a humorous story about a man. What do you mean by humorous, children? Humorous is that makes you laugh, that is ridiculous, that makes you laugh, that is humorous. Now, this is a humorous story about a man, Bipin Chaudhary. He is the protagonist of the story who thinks he is sick. He meets people who tell him about an incident what he does not remember at all. Now, children, here's a word protagonist. Protagonist means the main character of the story. So, Bipin Chaudhary is the main character of the story. He is the protagonist. Now, this confuses Bipin a lot because he feels only one memory is missing, one part of his memory missing. He remembers everything well, but not what the other gentlemen convince him of. Thus, it is convincing enough for him that he has gotten a lapse of memory. The whole story follows all the events and his journey to find out the truth. However, we come to know at the end that it was all made up. His old friend Chunilal played a practical joke on him out of spite. Bipin didn't help his friend in need, so his friend did all this. It was all a setup along. Bipin was always fine. Now the story begins by telling us about a man, that is main character, and his name is Bipin Chaudhary. It was his habit to visit a bookshop and buy books of his choice or his liking. One day, on such a visit, a man approaches him. He tells Bipin that his name is Parimal Ghosh and is an old acquaintance of his from his Ranchi trip. Children, what do you mean by acquaintance? Means the person is familiar with him. That is acquaintance. Now, after hearing this, at first, Bipin is convinced the man is confusing him for someone else. However, when Parimal reveals personal details about him, he gets confused. Bipin cannot remember any of the incidents the man was talking about. In fact, he has never been to Ranchi. The man says that Dinesh Mukherjee was also on the trip. Dinesh Mukherjee is one of the friend of Bipin Chaudhary and Parimal Ghosh. He may confirm it with him. Bipin does not pay any heed or attention to his words. However, it keeps bothering him, so he confirms the incident with Dinesh, who always verifies the story. Now, Bipin is very confused as he cannot remember that particular incident only. He starts worrying and feels he is losing his memory, he is lacking his confidence. Now, Bipin asks the doctor for a remedy, for a solution of this illness. This confuses the doctor as well as he has not seen a case like this before, case like Bipin Chaudhary's. The doctor advises Bipin to visit Ranchi, the same place again. He thinks that revisiting that place may bring back memories he thinks he has forgotten. Bipin even takes a trip there, but still he does not remember a thing. He now starts worrying and calls for the doctor who will come later. Now, before the doctor arrives, Bipin learns the truth. His friend Chunilal played a practical trick or practical joke on him to take revenge. Now let's see why he's taking revenge. Once Chunni was in dire need of a job and Bipin could not help him, so he avoided him. Thus Chunilal did all this to take revenge from him, because you have read about Bipin Chaudhary that he was an introvert. He is not interested to help his friend. He is not interested in helping others. This angers Bipin, but it also relieves him that he is fine and not losing his memory. Finally, when the doctor arrives, he lies to him. Instead of admitting that it is a prank, he says that visiting Ranchi brought his memories back and he is fine now. Now, children, the conclusion part of the story here we have. This is a funny story, as we have already talked about. It's a humorous story, it's a funny story which tells us about a practical joke that a friend plays on other friend out of spite for not helping him in time of need. It teaches us the lesson of as you sow, so shall you reap. So we should help our friends and we should be a helping member to the society. Thank you, children. Thank you, all of you.